This video is about unit rates, and the goal is I can find unit rates and unit prices. I can use a unit rate or unit price to solve a real-world problem. First, let's start with the review exercises. The directions say simplify each expression. So for number 1, I want to distribute the -3 to everything inside of the parentheses. So -3 times 2x squared is -6x squared. -3 times a -4x is a positive 12x. And then a -3 times a positive 1 is a -3. Number 2. For this one, we want to combine like terms. So I want to find everything that has the term xy in it. So right now I'm putting a box around everything that has xy in it and the sign in front of the number. And then our other like terms all have x cubed in it. So first what I'm going to do is I'm going to combine 9x cubed minus 14x cubed, and that's going to be -5x cubed. Next, I'm going to combine all of our terms that have xy in it. So we have a -3 minus 1. Minus 1 came from right here. Remember, there's an invisible 1, which is -4 plus 5. So -4 plus 5 is a positive 1xy. So I'm just going to write plus xy. Okay, now let's talk about rates and unit rates. So a rate is a ratio that compares quantities that are in different units. And a unit rate is a rate where the second quantity is 1 unit. So some examples of a unit rate would be 5 miles per hour, or if you're earning $10 per hour. Those are both considered a unit rate because the second quantity is 1 unit. When we say per hour, that means 1 hour. Let's try number 1. It says, which store has a better deal? Store 1 is $4 for 3 cans of dog food, and store 2 is $6 for 4 cans of dog food. So our goal here is to find the unit price for what would 1 can of dog food be, and then we can compare them. So for store number 1, I'm going to take $4 and I'm going to divide that by 3 cans of dog food. And when I divide 4 divided by 3, I get $1.33 per can. So for each can of dog food, it's going to cost $1.33. Now for store number 2, we're going to do the same thing. So we have $6 for 4 cans of dog food. So I'm going to do $6 divided by 4 cans. And when I do 6 divided by 4, I get $1.50. So it's $1.50 per can of dog food. So now which store has a better deal? Well, that's going to be store number 1 has a better deal because it's $1.33. Okay, let's try number 2. So it costs $5.25 to buy 30 pencils. How much does it cost to buy 8 pencils? What I'm going to do for this one is first I'm going to find the unit rate of what is it going to cost to just buy 1 pencil. So that's what I'm going to do first. So I'm going to take $5.25 and I'm going to divide that by 30 pencils. And this is going to tell me what it's going to cost for one pencil. So if I round this to the hundredths place, I'm going to end up getting 18 cents per pencil. But we want to know how much it costs to buy 8 pencils. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that 18 cents and I'm going to multiply it by the number of pencils that I'm buying, which is 8. So 18 cents times 8 is going to end up equaling $1.44, and this is for the 8 pencils.